For homeowners in Middleton, doors serve as more than just entry points. They're vital barriers that protect your home, family, and possessions. Yet, over time, even the strongest doors can wear down, develop gaps, or lose their structural integrity. When this happens, it's not just about appearance or energy efficiency. Your safety and security could be at risk. That's why professional door replacement is one of the most effective ways to enhance protection and peace of mind. Let's explore how a properly installed, modern door system can significantly improve your home's safety and security in Middleton. The hidden risks of old or damaged doors. Many Middleton homes, especially older ones, still have their original doors from decades past. While they may hold nostalgic charm, these doors often suffer from weak or rotting frames that make forced entry easier, outdated locks that are vulnerable to tampering, warped or misaligned hinges that prevent a tight seal, gaps and cracks that invite pests, moisture, and drafts. A door that doesn't close properly or feels unstable is a clear sign your home's first line of defense is failing. Replacing it with a modern, professionally installed door restores strength, stability, and security where it matters most. Enhanced protection with modern door designs. Today's replacement doors are designed with advanced safety and security features that go far beyond traditional models. Here's how they help protect Middleton homeowners. Stronger materials for greater resistance. Modern entry doors are available in high durability materials such as steel, fiberglass, and solid wood composites. These materials are engineered to resist warping, cracking, and denting, problems that compromise older wooden doors. Steel and fiberglass, in particular, can withstand heavy impacts, making them excellent options for enhanced home security. Reinforced frames and hinges. A strong door is only as secure as the frame that supports it. Professional door replacement includes reinforced frames and hinge systems that distribute weight evenly and prevent sagging over time. This makes it far more difficult for intruders to pry or kick the door open. Installers also use longer screws and high-grade metal plates to anchor the door securely into the surrounding wall studs, an upgrade that dramatically increases resistance to break-ins. Upgraded locking mechanisms. Many Middleton homeowners are switching to doors equipped with multi-point locking systems, which secure the door at several points along the frame rather than just at the handle. This feature adds an extra layer of protection, making it nearly impossible for intruders to force the door open. Additionally, options like smart locks and keyless entry systems enhance convenience while keeping your home secure. You can lock or unlock your door remotely, track entry activity, and even receive alerts if your door is tampered with, all from your smartphone. Better insulation and sealing. While not a direct security feature, proper insulation and sealing improve both comfort and safety. A well-sealed door prevents unwanted airflow, pests, and moisture from entering. It also blocks outside noise, contributing to a quieter, more peaceful home environment, a subtle but valuable aspect of feeling secure. Why professional installation matters. Even the best door can't perform properly without expert installation. A professional installer ensures the door fits perfectly within your home's structure, aligning hinges, locks, and seals with precision. De-installations or poor fits can lead to gaps that compromise both energy efficiency and security. Professionals use specialized tools and weatherproofing techniques to ensure every component, from frame to lock, is tightly secured and resistant to Middleton's seasonal weather changes. Moreover, professional installation protects your warranty coverage, ensuring that any future repairs or replacements are supported by the manufacturer. Long-term safety and peace of mind. Replacing your door isn't just about improving appearance, it's a long-term investment in your family's safety and home's resilience. Modern doors are designed to withstand decades of use, providing both physical protection and a greater sense of comfort. Beyond that, new doors can also boost property value. Prospective buyers in Middleton appreciate homes that combine security, style, and energy efficiency. A secure, professionally installed door sends a clear message: this is a home that's cared for and protected. Final thoughts for Middleton homeowners. Proper door replacement offers one of the most effective ways to strengthen home safety and enhance peace of mind. With today's advanced materials, reinforced designs, and smart security options, a new door can transform your entryway into both a stylish feature and a robust line of defense. When installed by professionals, your new door won't just look great, it will perform flawlessly for years, protecting your family and your investment against time, weather, and unwanted intrusions.